Hello friends and welcome to yet another video. It's Derek and today I would like us to share about something very important, and that is a condition which is known as sickle cell anemia disease. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing, liking and sharing these videos. So sickle cell anemia disease is a very dangerous condition, and research shows that in Uganda alone each year over 25,000 babies are born with this condition. This is why I picked the concern to ensure I talk about this condition and see how we can be able to avoid it. The month of September has been a month of sensitization to all the people about sickle cell anemia disease and how they can be able to avoid it. So I've been able to move around telling the people to go for a sickle cell test. This is done at most of health facilities, and you have to go with your fiancee or with your wife and be able to confirm whether you are carriers of this gene. And when you find that you're carriers, then know there is a chance of you having a baby with sickle cell anemia disease. And sickle cell anemia disease is that condition whereby you find that your red blood cells do not have a normal shape. In the actual sense, your red blood cells are supposed to be disc shaped, because this shape enables them to carry enough oxygen to all body parts where it is required by the pigment hemoglobin, and also enables them to move smoothly within all sizes of blood vessels. But when they are sickle shaped, first of all, these blood cells will be dying very fast, resulting into anemia. Another thing, there will be clogging in small blood vessels, resulting into stroke, and also there will be not taking enough oxygen to all the body parts. That's why you find someone with sickle cell anemia disease will be presenting signs and symptoms such as stroke, shortness of breath, there will be severe pain in most of the body parts, there will be vision problems, and there will be a high chances of getting other infections. Then also there will be severe organ damage, and this is why most of these babies do not even grow beyond the age of 5. So on the side of management, these babies are managed with, first of all, hydroxyurea. Then folic acid is also very important. Then another thing is blood transfusion. That's why I call upon all of us to ensure that we become blood donors, because that blood can be able to save someone's life. So please go today and donate blood to save someone with sickle cell anemia disease. Then also there is a management method which is known as stem cell transplant, but that is very expensive, and babies or teenagers in the third world countries cannot be able to manage the costs required to have such a treatment. There also another management method which is known as gene editing, whereby those genes with sickle cell trait are removed and then the edited ones are put in your body. But all these are really very expensive. I encourage all of us to go for sickle cell test so that we can know whether we are carriers or we do not have this condition at all. Let me hope this video has been important to you. Please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.